Children have to practice taking turns, with adult help, for a long time before they're ready to share. Teaching our children to share is often an early goal for us parents, but adults often ask children to share long before they are ready. For children, the whole idea of sharing feels arbitrary. What are the rules? Why do we take turns with certain objects and not others? Why do we have to do this at all? It's not hard to see why sharing is a hard sell with small children. When we talk about sharing with toddlers, what we're really talking about is turn-taking. Taking turns involves waiting while someone else uses the exact object you want to use, and it's hard for anyone, really. Children may be cognitively and developmentally ready to start taking turns at around age 2. Even then, they will almost always need to be supported and guided by an adult. Sharing, on the other hand, is a complex collaborative process involving a common goal, and comes later, beginning around age 4. Here are some tips for helping your little one learn to take turns. Before playing with other children, put away a small number of special non-negotiables, like favorite or special items. Preview what's going to happen so it's not a surprise. You're playing with the truck now, and in 3 minutes it's going to be Maria's turn, and she will get to play with it for a while. Use a visual timer to help your child know when their turn is up. Practice turn-taking in everyday life, like making a smoothie together and taking turns dropping banana slices in one by one, or doing a puzzle together and taking turns adding the pieces.